Fame on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Today is the day. By the title, you guys will know what it is. We are going meet and greet today, but first I am at my godson's football practice game, just sitting here and trying to support and showing love. Sarah's here all ready for meet and greet. Look at her face. Baby's here. Say morning.
Morning, guys.
And Tyler is with my bestie. So we will be heading, I think we're gonna head back home and then relax and stuff and wait until 3 o'clock. I pray that it doesn't rain today, though it says it should be raining all weekend, but I hope not. But yeah, we're just here and looking forward to meet all of you guys, and we're gonna have a good day. Yeah, so there is my girl outfit of the day. She wearing shoes, ruffle undies and a dress and her headband. Anyway, you guys, if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe, catch up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys at meet and greet. My friend yesterday bring me a whole bag of cane, and I'm juicing them right now. Tyler tried it, babe doesn't care how. Babe can't eat cane to save his life. This is one of Babe and Tyler's favorite things to eat when they're in Jamaica. Macaroni and cheese.
Yes, ice.
Thank you.
So we come around here and then we choose the flavors.
So what you doing here?
No, we don't stand here. This is just the cashier.
Okay, so just we need that.
Yes, so. Hi, sir. Excuse us. Hi. So we want a strawberry, well, 2 strawberry. So just give it to this gentleman here.
What did you do with your hair?
Tyler. Yes.
Thank you.
The best of the best Delaveaus ice cream. That's one scoop. We hear? You see how big that is?
I have to hug you for that.
Come on, guys.
Alright, let's go. And go. And eat.
Okay.
And you get stuff.
Okay.
The fifth showing up, honey. Say hi, Simon. Joshi, say hi. Hey.
I'm talking to you.
Tyler. And another subscriber coming. Yes, my sub is showing up. My sub is showing up.
In the house.
How far are you coming from?
No, I live in Kingston.
Okay, yes. Where, which party today? So how you reach? I come from there, so. I love the hair.
Enjoy the ice cream.
I love the hair. Oh my God. Chai, another subby. Say hello. You might eat ice cream. What flavor?
She don't want to mess herself.
Strawberry. Sarah doing her rounds. You guys, we actually reached Delaveaus and the face showing up one by one. She stays smiling.
She just woke up.
She stays smiling. Shala, you don't see Carlene? You don't see Carlene? See Carlene there? Oh, him not in a talking mode? Like that. You look so.
Oh, I'm going to cousin, man. I am working at the We can say get a lot of lip.
I know, right? So he's showing up. Right. Yeah. Justin don't want ice cream?
That's why I hold it. That's why what you wanted me to avoid. What you
Look
want.
at babe and this ice cream. Which flavor is this?
Supposed to be strawberry. Tyler, your ice cream
Melting.
more than melting. Come.
That's okay, it's Papa.
Go taste it. Just taste it. She didn't want no ice cream.
Daddy's on eat it.
So it's the one.
You push my mommy or daddy, which one? Okay.
Yeah, it's hot. It feels hot.
The kids down there playing.
Because I know, that's why I asked. Like,
Domino. Ty, you okay? Having fun with Joshua and Justin?
Yeah, her mom is living in Texas.
Oh, Texas is brutal.
I remember
In
one
Texas,
day
the heat in Texas is
we took
brutal.
a ferry. We were on the
Sarah
car,
is
we
with
took a ferry
cousin.
to go to the other side.
My cousin
And when
Carlene.
so the car going inside the ferry, and when like the bottom.
Hopefully all the rest of the phase will find us because we're at the back at Delaveaus, because the front part of Delaveaus where I was expecting everybody to hang out, it's off limits on Saturday, so we are actually around the section where the ice cream sells, and the ice cream sells right over here. This place here, that's where the ice cream sells. So yeah, we're just here chatting,
Inside the
chilling
boat, you have to turn off
with my babes,
the contact.
with my girl Shan, Pauline, Simone. What's your name again?
Lisa. Angela.
Lisa and Angela. And what's your name? Ruth? Ruthann. Ruthann, you look shy. You say it's your niece, right? Is your
My sister.
Really? Jeez. She looks so much like Run family. It's crazy. You guys, let me tell you a little history about this girl. She is my first love brother wife. Simone. I know Simone years. I know Simone from a 16. Choo-choo. I'm a first love brother wife. Yeah, work it out. Yeah, try work it out. Yes. It's my very first boyfriend. It's my very first boyfriend. Brother, why? So it's my ex-sister-in-law. Hey, hey! What a mix up here in the vlog here. It's my ex-sister-in-law, this girl here. Hey, I saw me know you see one. Jesus! We know someone from a 16. Yeah, that's how I find them, you know. Another Sabi. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Merlin, the first.
Okay, and who's this? Daughter. And daughter. Hi, daughter. Hi. Tell me.
You know, Saskia, me skip church, you can look fair.
You're like Priscilla. Priscilla skip church. New York meet and greet. Priscilla skip church. Priscilla said, me not going to church. Me have to come. Thank you guys for coming. You're so cute. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Ty. So Tyler, dear. Tyler. Ty. You have more friends. Say hello. Okay, it's your turn next, okay? Tyler says your turn next to play with him. Thanks for coming. How far are you coming from?
Angels, out of Spanish.
Oh my gosh. Thank you for coming. Oh my God, we love you. Oh my gosh. Me love you enough. My gosh. She coming all the way from Angels. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. And you miss church. Skip church. Pastor watching. You win. Josh, you let Tyler beat you? Him still winning. He's still winning.
You know why you win?
High five.
Because there was a one and a five. I look at my dominoes.
No, he does. He knows how to play.
You know how to block you every time, for example.
Oh my gosh. Look at them. They're coming from far away just to meet us. You guys are awesome. Where's my Instagram? Oh my God, Insta. Where's my phone?
Bam! You said bam!
Am I taking?
Tyler, turn around.
Come, Tyler.
Turn around. Wait, let me take this picture. Wait. Oh my God! Miss Sue, cartoon. Let me take a picture here real quick. You take it, Chan?
Of course.
You came that I didn't know your face. Bob. Oh, that's you. Barbara.
Come again, come.
She said we like.
Listen, Stacy is your #1 fan in the comment section? Listen, when me say she cussed me out and every chance she get about Ludo starting the vlog, and when you know in the vlog she not happy, it's her. Two separate daughter.
Jesus, have mercy. I'll him something here. So you get almost everybody. This is just 3.
I'm just coming to get food and go to
Them says seek I don't know.
She does. Everybody says she looks tiny in person.
And the rice goes off at 9 o'clock.
She don't like hold on, my love. Oh, big girl.
Yeah, she wants to hold up.
She don't want to hold on, mama.
Later, Melissa.
Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. It's hot.
Yes.
Look at you, Miss Bodybuilder.
But this.
Come and show you my code. So,
Let me quick again. If you start to wrong, me I get you wrong.
okay. No, all of the 3 of us. So, wait, so.
Don't forget to watch the vlog. You know what I'm I want to tell you something. You see, I'm the first thing I'm going to tell you is she coming up front. Yeah, make pasta see.
Pasta, watch your vlog too.
Yeah, pasta now, watch your vlog. Somebody will see and tell you.
Family gathering.
Yeah, family gathering. It's important. Exactly. She's staring at me. Yeah.
Can you imagine? You know, if you have to point that she's my first godchild.
No? Isn't Justin your first? Mine is how old is she? She's 7, Justin older.
Yes, Justin is your first.
There's your first godson and your first brother.
But I take a picture.
Claudine, you're old. And you know she didn't want to come. Yeah. She wanted to stay with Tammy because we're going later to Hope in the zoo. But she wanted to stay home because she and Rahid have them close. When is the zoo?
Oh, you're just going to the zoo?
When is the Halloween party today? Tonight. At 6 o'clock. At 6 no. I thought it was tomorrow. No.
I don't know the You know the thing we can't take the car. Kind of. They love the pranking thing. When you prank her, she makes him. She just want him to come to say, you too disgusting. You must be a good sport.
Yeah, I know.
So when you when you prank them, you know, the party.
Because you're going to go to the
She said no.
party.
She said no. Hello. Your daughter said no. Here. She said no. Go to the house, get Justin ready, take him to the zoo. You're coming to the zoo?
I think so.
Just get dressed and put on the
Me probably got tired, so probably even end up not come. I don't know. Let's see.
What time is the zoo?
It's from 6 to 10, I think.
6.
6 to 10.
Sarah and Auntie Shads.
You look a color in your life. Goodness.
Oh my gosh. The face still showing up and more of them to come. One talk.
Not having any more.
Listen, me I tell you, me I feel enjoy the little heat. No, she not hungry, she want sleep. Father God knows I didn't need a nice little vibe, so I'm just hold it for me, you know? Him hold the rain, yeah. You want to know what's my YouTube channel? Let me find it for you. More subby. More subby, yes. Let me find it for you. Make sure you're subscribing and tell all your friends to subscribe. How do I search? THEDELAC. That's me. There you go.
Thank you.
And make all of his friends them subscribe, yeah? Yes. Well, see we get new subbies. Say hello. Say hello. Why is she shy? Come say hi. Say hi. New subbies and spots. Yes. Thank you guys. Watch she hide her face. Let me catch her good. Let me catch her good. Come here. Come here. My Melissa. See, we get a new subbies and spot at Delaveaus. Thank you guys. Look at my face. Enough do me like it. Them enough. Yes. You guys are so awesome for coming.
You're welcome.
You guys are amazing. How long have you been subscribed to us?
Almost 2 years.
Really? That's good because we've been doing YouTube 3 years and little. So you've been with us a long time.
And I can't wait. In the morning.
Because we don't post on Saturdays and Sundays.
Right.
Everybody say, Mel, why you don't post every day? It's a lot of work. It's
Honey, let me do that.
Hello, Miss Back up.
We are missing you in the week. What you doing here?
Oh man, return
What you doing here?
A baby daughter?
Yeah.
Hi. My God.
Come to HP.
Hi, honey. It's the first me see me now.
Say if you have a Javan.
Bad.
Yeah.
But Nick bump have me weak.
I may watch her up. May I video her up.
Yes, girl.
Khalil. Carl. You know, say auntie.
Yes.
I box you down. I will box you down on the vlog, you know. Come kiss auntie. Come kiss auntie. Right, Nicole Rainbow.
Listen, from my pregnant, my cousin called her Nicole Rainbow. Ask me why. Yes, thank you. Yes. That these girls over here just subscribe to.
Come and look at Sarah.
So babe, you finally meet Lord Mount Nikki. Lord Mount Nikki, you know the cousin group? And she, yes, me Lord Mount cousin, she that. When Nikki come pull off me wig,
Yeah, natural. Naturality.
Hey.
cousin.
You know, I can't call you not to tell you, you know. You know, she.
Me never. Me don't tell her. Me never.
Upper Vadney.
Upper me auntie?
And up here, I go like a auntie alone.
Never. Me never tell her to you come. Never.
No, she never
No.
said anything.
You just tell her to you come. Me never tell her. Yeah. Keep it tight. Yeah.
She's such a daddy.
Talking at the camera.
It's too close.
One good day.
Yeah.
I feel as a mother room babe is, she
But I had
finds she loves me. And it don't matter what me
Remember so when she asked for her phone, she said she you have it, you know.
With the chip up.
Jesus have mercy, stop it.
Hello.
Well, you have Tyler. Keep quiet. Yeah, but Tyler don't really look like me. No. You have Tyler. Everything.
I wish you mean by Tyler not look like her.
Yes, I'm with bag already.
That's a fact.
On my phone.
Some pictures when him smile like really
So I remember seeing your necklace one.
When you watch
Lily Cliff, man.
Call Marianne.
you lost.
Call Marianne.
Always tell her it's okay to
Maybe she asleep.
and play again and you win next time. Go on. If not like lose, mom.
Call Marianne. It's true.
It's true. Ellen girl once say once they coming to win again.
The only thing my kids get from me is this. The mode. You want to see when Sarah bakes. And you want to when Tyler bakes. Sleep.
Where you going, Ty? Let me know where you're going first.
Come, Jessie, come here. Just.
Did you ask me if you can go?
All that
I did, so
ask
go.
her?
Give me a kiss.
Did you ask me if you can go?
No, I did say that to you. Did I say that to you? That he cannot go, that's why I told you to go by yourself. So if you don't want to go and sit down and stop annoying me.
After, stay and play that me know when you go. After, stay and play.
Hey, mama.
His mommy won't let him go.
No, I'm just, yeah.
Nicole Rainbow, finally meet you, Nicole Rainbow. So you have belly and Nicole Rainbow. Hey, mama.
Somebody else coming. Somebody else. I know this face. Oh my God! And then I was just for Sarah, didn't you? I did. Yes. Hold on. Who's it?
Right.
Claudia. I know your face. I know. Thank you.
I will just keep them in there because so that it don't melt. Nice. So
If you have a barbecue.
It's fine to me too. Since them fix it up like our side on your vlog.
And look at it, so
Saw it on the vlog?
and look at it, and chop chin.
Before me.
I know. I'm waiting here. You touched Barry before me.
Well, then, come. You shy? You can join the group, you know. Don't be shy. What happened?
But Melissa, here's another fave too. Melissa not here, you know. She's coming here. Who are they? Who are they?
She just find them over there.
Melissa! Mel!
Some guys want ice cream, but we can't take them big ones.
Another fave. Where's Tyler? See Tyler around there. And Sarah. New faves with homework. What I'm looking for them. YouTube. Who wants to okay. Sima Salivri. That's good. That's good. That's nice. Sima Salivri.
Hi, Monique. Thanks for coming. Where you coming from?
Sydney.
Oh my gosh.
I was at the University Hospital for West.
Okay, so you're just passing by. That's my cousin up here, no mind. Yeah? Thanks for coming. Oh, thanks for coming. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Babe, another fave. He's who, Tyler? What's your Ty? You're finding friends? Look, another fave just came. Say hello. There's a, oh my God, there's a lot. How many of them? There's 1,000 faves. Let you count. All right, count. Count your fave. Wait, you missed one. Wait, start over. Start over. Come. Watch out.
Watch it. This one here. Push it.
Miss some. We miss some.
14, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Where? One more fail.
Can't stop me, Todd.
Hi, man. Where are you coming from? Portmore. Portmore, yes. Yes, all the faves coming in time. Well, New York, I go get jealous because Jamaica meet up bigger than for them one. Yes, Ty. Oh, Nikki. What kind of trouble you're on again, Nikki? You guys, this is my cousin. This is my cousin. She's a little troublemaker. This big guy girl.
It's my eyes and big.
You see them big? Big like our. Another fave coming. Just say, you're new. You subscribe? Are you a subscriber? Are you a subscriber?
Just change, so it needs to be sorted out.
All right, so make sure you subscribe. Right, all right. Thanks for saying hello. You guys are awesome. All the faves are here chilling. Thank you, Father God, for holding up the rain. Yes, yes.
Oh Lord, yes.
Father God, hold up the rain. Yeah, you're not true. Sure.
Oh no! Guess 26.
There's 26.
26 now.
Let us know. And I need to know something about it.
I'm happy that you're hooked. You're to stay hooked.
Because I'm gonna have to do something about it.
You have to stay hooked. You have to stay hooked. You have to stay hooked.
No, 29.
Bye. There's 29 faves. Yeah. So. Anna, yes. Is she coming from Clarendon? Oh my God, she's here. Oh my God, thanks for coming. You're so handsome.
29 and 30.
Oh my gosh. Thanks for coming, sweet boy. Guess what? He watches you on YouTube.
Oh.
Give him a hug. You wanna give him a hug? Oh, and she too. That's his mom. Watch out. Taylor, watch out. You taking him away? All right, bye. Ah! I know this face. Hey. She is actually a Jamaican YouTuber. What's the name of your channel again? Peter. Listen, Peter gave vlog everything on the streets of Jamaica. So you guys need to go and subscribe to Peter Gay's channel. Yes, I'm good.
From the last
time I came.
Yes. Right. So guys, make sure you check her out. Tell them what your channel too.
My channel name is Delaveaus, Delaveaus'. Yes. And you'll find me.
Yes.
Tyler is around here, and Sarah and baby's around here.
How are you?
I'm good. No, you need to tell them you're correct. Not correct, but tell them clearly so my subbies can go and subscribe to you.
Hi guys, my name is Peter Gay. The name of my channel is called Peter Gay Life.
Spell it.
Petagaye, life, as in Life.
Alright, if you guys want to see on the streets of JA, go and subscribe to Peter Gay's channel, and you guys will see more of JA when I'm not here, okay?
Eating all the chicken bags.
Yes. Yes. You can find food, Shads. You can find food. Everybody shout same on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
You want a photo first? It's recording.
Oh, okay. What we are doing?
Can I tell you? See you there. Say hi. That's a really good turnout.
Just show you.
Ready to go? Cheese and bun.
Ready? You want picture? Hang on, I'm coming. Cheese and bun.
Yeah, take next picture. Yeah.
Coming, people coming from Clarendon, St. Mary, Spanish Town, Portmore,
even down the street. Thank you guys for coming, and again, people who have been subscribed with us from with 100 subscribers, and now we almost at 13,000. That's amazing. Thank you guys again for not missing a vlog. And to my big yard cousin, good cousin, who I'm a security, and follow behind me everywhere we go. Anyway, thank you guys, and we love you. Mwah.
Yes.
I want to count now, and Tyler want to count everybody, so don't just line up, make him count. Alright, start from here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
Him don't tell him that, I'm going to start over.
Anyway, you guys, I can't thank you guys enough for coming. Who I haven't got a picture with? You know, make sure I catch all that picture them for me. I didn't have a picture with everybody. One picture with them. Alright. One picture with my husband. One picture. Even besides, for money. She wants a picture with you and that. Here, come. Sorry. I'm going to take one. Oh, yeah. Who's taking it? Come, we got men already. I'm a celebrity today. Come. Red carpet. Come, we'll sleep on the red carpet. No, you put it into the middle. Yeah, man. Oh, all right. No.
Just.
Yes, smile. Peter get post when she feel like, but when she posts, it's nice, girl.
Yeah, August of
I love you, what's a kiss?
You guys, we're just walking out, meet and greet, heading home, and another set of subbies. Say hello, with her beautiful babies. Oh my God, she's so tiny. Oh, Sarah, say hello. More subbies. Everybody say that. Yes. She said, surreal. Don't worry, we're normal people like you. Cause watching me on the screen and seeing me in person, right? Oh, look at her. Yes, babe.
Oh, sure.
Listen, ask Nikki.
Can we take a pic?
Of course.
Hi guys, well, it's the end of the day, and just wanted to thank all of you for this day. It was such a great day. It was so great to meet all of you. I have a great memory about today, so I just wanted to thank you all again for everybody who came, and for the person who didn't had the opportunity to come next time. Yeah, thanks again. I won't name all of you, but I have on the side the name of all of you, and I have on my memory everybody. So yeah, thanks again. Thanks for the person who bring a little gift for Tyler. Thanks for the person who bring a gift for us. We really appreciate it. Same things. Yeah, I won't name you, but I know who it is, and yeah, thank you again. Well, I hope you all also enjoy today's vlog. I hope you all also enjoy being us with us for the person who was there. So it was such a great day. Looking forward eventually to see your comments. I will look all of them. Yeah, so stay positive, stay blessed, and for sure we'll see you guys soon.